The way we interact with technology is about to change forever, and our beloved Google Assistant might be the first to know. For years, Google Assistant has been our helpful companion, setting alarms, playing music, and answering our burning questions, but a new era is dawning. And with it comes Gemini, Google's most advanced AI model yet. So why the shift? The answer lies in Gemini's groundbreaking capabilities at its core. Gemini is a multimodal AI, meaning it understands and processes not just text, but also images, audio, and even video. This allows for a far more nuanced and natural conversation. Imagine asking Gemini to describe a scene from a video you share with it, or to analyze data presented in a complex image. Google Assistant, while powerful, primarily operates on text-based commands and information. Gemini's advancements in natural language processing are truly staggering. It can grasp context, understand subtle nuances in tone, and even anticipate your needs with remarkable accuracy, leading to more intuitive and personalized assistance. Think of Google Assistant as a highly knowledgeable librarian, excellent at finding specific information. Gemini, on the other hand, is more like a brilliant researcher, capable of synthesizing information, identifying patterns, and offering creative solutions. This isn't just an upgrade. It's a fundamental evolution. Gemini's sophisticated architecture allows it to learn and adapt at an unprecedented pace, promising an AI assistant that grows with you and truly understands your individual needs. The integration of Gemini into the Google ecosystem signifies a leap forward in how we interact with technology, making AI assistants more intelligent, responsive, and deeply integrated into our daily lives. Get ready for a smarter way to connect, create, and explore a circumflex Euros. The future of AI assistance is here, and it's called Gemini.